Most people buy this category wrong, not because they chose the wrong product, but because they bought it for the wrong reason. There are one or two things that actually settle this decision, and they almost never appear in the headline spec. Think about the actual moment you will reach for this. Not the unboxing, not day one, the third week in, when it just needs to work without you thinking about it. That is the bar. The Smart Throat Anti-Snoring 4300 Device Plus Bluetooth app sleep tracking, portable compact design for business trips and daily use is built around SNORE Relief. The SNORE Circle Smart Throat Anti-Snoring Device Plus uses intelligent detection to identify snoring and deliver gentle, targeted responses that help reduce snoring without disturbing your sleep. That is the thing that separates it from what is sitting next to it at a similar price. It is not trying to be everything, it is trying to do this one thing at a level that earns its place. The first feature worth understanding is Smart Snore Relief. The Snore Circle Smart Throat Anti-Snoring Device Plus uses intelligent detection to identify snoring and deliver gentle, targeted responses that help reduce snoring without disturbing your sleep. In practical terms, that means you are not fighting the product to get a result. It absorbs the friction that usually slows you down. The second is Bluetooth app sleep tracking. Pairs seamlessly with the companion app via Bluetooth to record and analyze your sleep data, giving you detailed insights into your snoring patterns and sleep quality each night. This one looks minor on the spec sheet, but it is the thing you notice every single time you use it after the first 2 weeks. And the third is ultra compact and portable design. Measuring just 40.8 millimeters, 25.6 millimeters, x 15 millimeters, this lightweight device is discreet enough for business trips, overnight stays, and fieldwork without compromising your personal image, which is more useful than it sounds until you actually need it. Together, those three things explain why this one has the reputation it does and why it keeps showing up in comparison lists 2 years after launch. What the listing will not tell you is that versatile for work and home. Whether you are traveling for work or settling in for a full night at home, this device adapts effortlessly to any scenario, helping office workers and frequent travelers enjoy restful, uninterrupted sleep. That is the thing buyers consistently flag after extended use, and it is actually more useful in practice than the spec alone suggests. Here's where I have to be straight with you though. Comfortable and easy to use, designed for all nightmare with a smooth, ergonomic form factor, it eliminates the discomfort and complicated setup associated with traditional anti-snoring devices. If that does not match your situation, there are better options, and I would rather you know that now than after you open the box. People who have used this long-term consistently mention versatile for work and home. Whether you are traveling for work or settling in for a full night at home, this device adapts effortlessly to any scenario, helping office workers and frequent travelers enjoy restful, uninterrupted sleep, as the thing that keeps them loyal. The people who left critical reviews mostly bought it for a use case it was not designed for. I cover one of these breakdowns every day. Subscribing is the fastest way to catch the next one. On price, Amazon moves this around more than you would expect, so what I can say is that for what you were getting, the value holds up compared to the alternatives I looked at. That said, timing matters on Amazon. The link is in the description so you can check what it is sitting at right now and decide if the time